Hello friends, once again you are most welcome in English Hub platform classes. So guys, today we shall talk about the next type of passive voice, that is type fifth. Sentence starting with who. So guys, this type is very important for 8th, 9th and 10th standard students because almost this type of question is asked in board exam. So listen carefully. First of all, we must know the structure of active voice. So what shall be the structure for active voice? The sentence, as I have told you, will start with who. After that there will be verb and then will be object. Okay? And at last will be question mark. So what shall be the structure for passive voice? We shall start it by and whom. After that, for converting it in passive voice, we shall use helping verb. After that, object and verbs third form and full stop. Got it? So let's take example. Who broke your pen? So first of all, before solving any question, just try to find out its type of sentence. You will find easily if you have learnt its identification, as you will see that this sentence is starting with who. So start the passive voice sentence with by whom. Now look at the verb given in active voice. It is verb second form. As we have studied earlier, जैसा पहले पढ़ा था हमने, वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म को हम किस में चेंज करते हैं? वाज, वर एंड वर्ब से थर्ड फॉर्म में. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट वी शैल सेलेक्ट एनी वन फ्रॉम वॉज एंड वर. सो अपना जो ऑब्जेक्ट है क्या है? योर पेन. इट इज सिंगुलर इन नंबर, सो वी शैल यूज वॉज. नाउ ऑब्जेक्ट your pen and now verbs third form broken. Got it? Very easy. Next example. Who helps you and question mark. So let's change with me. Who will be changed into by whom. Now it is verbs first form and s. It changed into is, am, are and verbs third form. So what you will select from is, am, are? It depends on subject object given in active voice sentence. So object is you. So we shall select are. Now use object you and verbs third form helped. Next example. Who was making food? So who shall be converted into by whom. Okay guys, now ing is there, so I told you that ing is converted into being, and now verb's third form cooked. Got it? Let's see some more examples. Who did buy a car? So again, who shall be converted into by whom. Did is given, so did is changed into was and were. What you will select depends on object. A car is given, so we shall select was. Now object a car, and verb's third form bought. Next example, who has taken my pen. So let's change by whom हैज़ माई पेन. जैसा आपको बताया था, जब हैज़ हैव के साथ वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म हो एक्टिव वॉइस में, सो हैज़ हैव के साथ हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए? बीन का, एंड वर्ब्स थर्ड फॉर्म टेकन. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, हु हैड stolen your book. So let's change by whom had your book been stolen. ओके गाइज, सो वंस अगेन आई एम रिवाइजिंग यू. सबसे पहले हमें स्ट्रक्चर का ध्यान रखना है कि कोई भी किसी भी प्रकार का जो टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस दे रखा है उसके एक्टिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, उसी स्ट्रक्चर में पैसिव वॉइस का बनेगा. आइदर इट इज इन अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव, इंटेरोगेटिव और इम्पेरेटिव. सो इट इज द फिफ्थ टाइप. सो हु शैल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बाय whom, then we shall use helping verb for converting it into passive voice, then object given in the active voice, and verb's third form which is given in the active voice. Got it? Look, alike examples are there, so I hope you would understanding. Some more examples also. Who is making noise? So again, very good, keep replying. By whom is noise being, and third form of this made. Next example, who will support you? So you just tell me answer. By whom, will is given, object is you, so again we shall use will. Now you, and for making it into passive voice we shall use be, and third form of support is supported. Got it guys? So this type is almost finished. I hope you would be liking my videos. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, and send your feedbacks also If you find any type of feedbacks, then send in comments all the feedbacks. Thank you. Have a nice day.